In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Aircall efficiently and effectively. If you've been looking to streamline your contact management process, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and type Aircall into the search bar. Hit enter and then look for the link with the URL aircall.io. Clicking on this should take you directly to the Aircall homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Once you've logged in, you can start the process of importing your leads. Before moving forward with the import, it's crucial to have all your contact information organized in a spreadsheet. Make sure that all phone numbers are formatted correctly, using the E164 standard, which includes the country code and ensures compatibility across different systems. Once you have your spreadsheet polished and ready, save it as a CSV file. This format is essential for the import process. Now, within the Aircall platform, locate the dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Add Contacts. This will lead you to the Contacts section, where all the magic happens. Keep in mind, this is the hub where you manage all your contact information within Aircall. In the Contacts section, look for a button that says Plus Add, and give it a click. When the menu pops up, select Import Contacts. This selection automatically begins the process that will allow you to bring your meticulously organized leads into Aircall. Next, a prompt will appear asking you to select your CSV file. Navigate your computer's File Explorer or Finder, locate the spreadsheet you prepared earlier, and upload it. This step is straightforward but crucial. It bridges the gap between your stored data and Aircall's contact management capabilities. Upon uploading your file, Aircall will display a preview of your data. This preview is not just for show, it serves a purpose. Here, you'll be able to map the columns from your spreadsheet to the corresponding fields within Aircall. This ensures that each piece of information, from phone numbers to names, ends up in the correct place, maximizing the efficiency of your database. Take a moment to review everything in this mapping stage. This is where errors can be corrected before they become an issue, ensuring your information flows accurately into the Aircall system. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, complete the import and watch as your leads are seamlessly integrated into Aircall. There you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to import leads into Aircall, making your contact management more efficient. Remember, organizing your information beforehand can save a lot of time during the import process. Thanks for watching, and happy importing!